People on YouTube are making crazy money from their videos, and no, I'm not talking about money from views, as that takes literally years to build up. I'm talking about a small underground minority of people with tiny channels making an easy 5 figures per month. How are they doing it? And more importantly, how can you duplicate their results? Well, most of these YouTubers are reviewing products from Amazon like children's toys, mobile phones and swimwear, etc. And they get paid from Amazon's Associates program, which I'm sure you've seen at the bottom of every Amazon page. You see, this Associates program will pay you a percentage of every sale that you make. Now the problem is that Amazon only pays a meager 3% per sale, which means you need a huge channel getting a ton of visitors and potential buyers to make any kind of significant money. Now, here's what the smart minority do, and I'm sure they don't want me telling you this. It all revolves around the multi-billion-dollar tech industry, which, unlike Amazon, which pays only 3% per sale, software and apps pay you 50% to 100% commission checks per sale, and that money goes straight into your bank account or your PayPal, and this can be $27 to $47 pure profit per sale. Now you can see how some people are making a lot more money with a lot less effort and a much smaller channel. Now obviously there's a lot more to explain, and way more than I can cover in a simple YouTube ad like this. So I'm inviting you, if you're interested, to join me on a free online workshop that I'm holding today, where I'll show you step by step how this wildly profitable method works. So if you'd like to attend this free workshop, then simply click in the top right hand side of this video if you're watching on a mobile, or the bottom left hand side of this video if you're watching on a desktop, and it's going to take you through to a page that will look like this, where you can register to join this workshop. Now, here's a bunch of people that attended this exact session last month. We have Tim Vadu here, making $40,000 in a single month from this. Oscar making $150 within 15 minutes. We got Dave Kammer making $865 yesterday, and also Philip from Denmark making $11,000 in the past 30 days. We also have Mo here, who's banked $17,000. Now, all of these people had no previous experience. They all have full-time jobs, so they had very little time to put into this, and they've all achieved the one thing that you're looking to achieve right now. They all attended the workshop. Find out how they did it. Click the ad. That's it.